Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to get this glowy makeup tutorial. So if you want to get this glowy look, then please keep watching the video. So first I will be using this Mario Pathak facial spray. This is a rose water facial spray and it helps in making the skin glowy. It makes it shiny. So we'll start up with this. You see, after applying the facial spray, my skin naturally became so glowy. The next product that I will apply is this Swiss Beauty primer. This is really dewy primer. It makes my skin very shiny, so it is good for glowy skin makeup. This is how it looks like. It is very glowy. You can see it is really glowy. So now that I'm done with the base, I have made it really glowy. Now I'll move on to the makeup. So I'll be using this Maybelline concealer first. I'm gonna apply the concealer just here. Like this, a little bit. And here. Yeah, that's it. Then I'm gonna use a beauty blender to blend it in. After applying the concealer, I'm not gonna apply any powder to set it because we are going for a dewy look, so powder will mattify everything. We just want the glowy look, so to keep it, I'm not gonna apply any powder. And now I'm gonna move on to eyelash color, as I'm not gonna go for any heavy look. I'm just gonna keep it simple and dewy, as that's the point. Now I'm gonna apply the mascara. This is Maybelline Sensational Mascara. This Maybelline Sensational Mascara really makes my lashes look very big. Like I applied some false lashes, but I have not. I have just applied this mascara. It is a really good mascara. Now next I'm gonna be applying this bronzer. This from Nykaa. Then I'm gonna apply some blush, and for that I'm using this lipstick. This is a Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick in the shade Rose Alert. Then I'm gonna take the same brush from which I applied the bronzer, and I'm just gonna rub off the excess blush. So I'm just gonna do like this. Now moving on to the highlighter, I'm gonna apply this highlighter from Nykaa. So I apply the highlighter on the regular areas, and I apply the cream blush because I don't want any powder stuff, as I want to look glowy and creamy, and that stuff makes it look glowy. So I'm just putting everything of cream, and I'm just gonna apply a little highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes like this. It makes your eyes look wide awake. I'm just gonna put a little bit of highlighter as my eyeshadow as well. So next I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows, and for that I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade 2, I guess that's how it's pronounced. I'm not sure, but I don't suggest buying this shade because this shade is a bit lighter for Indian skin tones. If you have skin like me, it is a little light. You are, your hair also has to match with your eyebrows, so that doesn't really happen, and it looks not odd, but it doesn't give you the color which you want, a little dark brown, but this shade is literally light, so I would suggest buying a darker shade. But yeah, I have this right now, so I'm just gonna mix this lighter shade with my old eyebrow pencil, which is a dark shade. So I'm just gonna mix it with that. The thing is that this eyebrow pencil is light and my old eyebrow pencil is really dark, which is like really black. So, these two mix well together. So, but I really not suggest you to buy this, and if you are investing in something like this, then you should buy other products that are many available in the market. The shade of this eyebrow pencil is like this. When I have filled my eyebrows, it kind of feels lighter, but maybe it works, doesn't seem odd, but still I mix it with my old eyebrow pencil. I'm just slightly gonna mix my old eyebrow pencil. Next I'm gonna be moving on to the lips, and for that I'm gonna be applying this Kiko Milano lip liner in the shade 533. This is a very natural shade. It is a nude shade and it looks really good. But today's makeup look, as you know, is glowy makeup look. So I'm just gonna add a little gloss on the top of it to, make it glossy. So it will look glowy. So this is the gloss I'm gonna be topping it with. This is a nude gloss. It doesn't have any color in it, so it will not hide my lip liner. It is transparent. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial of this glowy makeup look, and I hope you learned how to get this glowy makeup look so that you can try it too. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It will help me grow on YouTube fast. So please subscribe. Okay guys, bye. I'll see you in the next video.